Hi, I'm Dave from Golf Car UK. Today we're going to be running through replacement of the front bumper and the side rocker panels. Tools required for this job will be a 15mm socket on an extension bar and a ratchet, a T30 Torx socket and a ratchet. We're going to start by using the 15mm socket and ratchet, and we're going to undo the top mounting bolts. You'll find two washers with the bolts. Important to keep hold of these. These will be needed for refitting the new bumper. Next, we're going to loosen off the T30 Torx bolt underneath the bumper. This doesn't need to be fully removed. A few turns will be plenty. Now the bumper is ready for removal. Next, we're going to refit the new bumper. Be sure to locate the cutout in the lower part of the bumper with a gap above the washer in the lower locating bolt. Now we're going to tighten up the bottom bolt with a T30. We're now going to fit the top bumper mountings. We're going to start with the washer and the nut onto the top mounting position. Repeat this process for the other side, torquing the nuts up to between 3 and 5 Newton-meters. Next, we're going to replace the rocker panels. For this, you're going to need a T45 socket and ratchet. Now we're going to refit the parts. It's a simple case of refitting the parts in reversal order of when we remove them. These bolts are only going into plastic, so only need to be torqued to between 3 and 5 Newton-meters. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and smash that like button.